When you pack for an immunization session, you need to estimate the amount of supplies, select the right supplies, and pack everything you need. A good place to start is with an immunization session checklist. This can serve as a quick reminder of things to do and pack before a session. The first step is to estimate the amount of supplies you will need for the session. That includes vaccines, diluents, and other safe injection supplies, adding an extra 10% to meet unexpected demands at the session. Ideally, the quantity of each type of vaccine should be calculated from a list of infants who are due and overdue. This information could be found by reviewing immunization register appointments, defaulter tracking, and newborn infant lists. When such lists are not available, the quantity can be estimated based on demand from the previous session. Refer to the tally sheet from that session. You could also use a reference table such as this one, which shows the supplies needed for each session based on population data. The numbers in this table included 10% excess. This table reflects current WHO recommendations. To estimate safe injection supplies, take 1 AD syringe for each dose of injectable vaccine, and remember to add 10% buffer stock. Also, take 1 reconstitution syringe and needle for each vial of vaccine to be used. Remember to take 1 safety box for every 100 AD syringes. Finally, if you are planning for an outreach session, estimate the number and size of vaccine carriers and water packs you will need to transport the vaccines and diluents. Make sure you have completed these estimations before you start packing. Now you are ready to select the vaccines and diluents to pack. First, verify that they are safe to use. Check the refrigerator temperature and freeze indicator. If any freeze-sensitive vaccines have been exposed to sub-zero temperatures, perform the shake test to make sure they have not been damaged. Then, select vaccines in this order. First, look for opened vials in the Use First box in the fridge. This basket should contain vials that are approved for use under the National Multi-Dose Vial Policy. Next, look for unopened vaccine vials that have been returned from outreach sessions or have been outside of the refrigerator and returned. These may also be in the Use First box. Then, select vaccine vials with vaccine vial monitors, or VVMs, that have started to change to a darker color but have not gone past the discard point. In general, use vaccines with the closest expiry date first. Carefully check each vaccine and diluent vial and ampule, and use only the ones in good condition. Discard any vials or ampules that are damaged or have no label, have passed their expiry date, have VVMs past the discard point, have fluid that has changed color or contains particles. Carefully pack vaccines and diluents in the vaccine carrier lined with conditioned ice packs. Also include supplementary items such as the AEFI kit, supplies for hand washing and drying, cotton wool, a container for rubbish, and pencils and paper. Finally, be sure to pack data recording and monitoring tools, including the immunization register, blank immunization cards, and the immunization tally sheets. Remember, you can find a short list of these items and tasks in the immunization checklist. You should now have a better understanding of how to pack for an outreach session, how to estimate the amount of supplies, select the right supplies, and pack everything you will need.